Hello and welcome to Book Talk. In this book talk, we are talking about Adulting 101, life skills. It says for teens should know, but I honestly think that if you've never lived alone and your mother has done your laundry or the dishes or your father or whomever, somebody has done all of these adulting things for you, then you should pick up this book. The author does an amazing job showing you like how to apologize, how to make friends, what those things in a toolbox actually do and their purpose, how to clean a room quickly, how to actually like use the different settings on the washing machine and dryer, how to fold sheets. I know some of this stuff obviously is on YouTube and all these other places, but what I like is this is all in one little handbook. So if you are ESL and you're trying to look and learn what all these terms mean in English, there's a book for you. If you're a teen and you're going to college and you have to do your laundry for the first time, look, there's a book for you. So please pick up Adulting 101 at Grundy Library before you head off to school. All right, bye for now.